Hi guys, it's me, Savannah. Sadie is playing on my school iPad. She's playing this app called Puppet Pals. It's a pretty cool app. Jade's just playing in his cage. Squeakers is somewhere.
Under the bed.
The peaceful kingdom of
And I think he's with Sierra. And when we're gonna be watching Ghostbusters, not the one with the boys, but the one with the girls.
Yeah, and the boys.
No, there is no boys. See?
No, see it?
You let me actually put it in the light. See?
See those boys too.
There's no boys.
See, this is the boy part.
No choice but to receive.
Yeah, but that's just your friend.
Oh, that's the
I'm guessing. I don't know. If you've seen this movie before, comment down below. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. And it's raining outside too. And there's. I wonder how the little kittens that are outside. There's some stray kittens on our street, and I wonder how they're gonna be handling the rain. Hopefully, I feel bad for them. I really do feel bad for the stray kittens. They're so cute and cuddly, and I really want one, but we can't have them here. Because it says no pets allowed where we live. But like when it means like pets, it means cats and dogs. Now we can have fish. What's the fish's name, Sadie? We can have fish like Frisbeef. That's our fish's name. Where is Frisbeef? Oh, there's Frisbeef. You can't see him that well.
Well, Frisbeef is dead.
What?
Frisbeef is dead.
Are you sure? No, he's not.
Oh, Frisbeef isn't.
Well, that's Frisbeef. Sadie, stop shaking it.
Sorry.
And here's Jade. Say hi, Jade. He used to sing happy birthday, but now he kind of like lost the touch of the happy birthday. But we'll have to work on that with him again. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Maybe we can teach him how to do the cha 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 part. Say cha cha cha. Yeah, so I don't know. I've been talking to my friends on Facebook through school, and yeah. If you liked the me doing my YouTube video if you liked me doing the YouTube video in the morning when I'm waiting for my friends, when I'm by myself, if you liked that video, then I'll make more, but if you didn't, I won't do it. But it's really kind of hard because when someone was passing by, you would always have to pause it and then replay it, and then press play, and then pause it again, and then play it again, and then when you're doing all that, you can't do it. are you gonna call? Ghostbusters! Who are you gonna call? Ghostbusters. One of these girls was Tammy in the movie Tammy. I think it's the first girl that showed. Who's that boy? Like my mom and dad saw it over the summer and they thought it was so good that they had to get the movie. So if you've seen this movie, comment down below. Yeah, it's raining. We had a quesadilla for dinner. And like this hot dog. And then we had hot dogs wrapped in like bread, and it was pretty good. I think not the blonde hair one. He's pretty handsome. This is like pretty cool. So, if you like this video, comment, give it a thumbs up, comment, I don't know what to do for comment. Rate, comment, and then subscribe. Hit the red subscribe button if you also liked it. And tomorrow, let's see if I'll dress up for the video. I'm gonna do 14 days of Halloween. Oh, and if you liked Halloween movies, and oh my god, I was gonna say ABC Family, but it's not ABC Family anymore. It's Freeform. If you like Halloween movies, tomorrow on Freeform.